made a ton of progress pulling the CJ apart today. We ended up pulling the windshield. We pulled the seats out. We started pulling the dash out. Look at this mess back here. The electrical is in shambles. We're going to just rewire the entire thing. Started pulling carpet just to see what we have to work with here, and I am completely shocked at how good a condition the tub actually is. There is just very little in the way of surface rust. There's nothing eaten through here. They did just such a really great job of protecting this vehicle, and I can tell you right now, the seals on the hardtop, when we pulled it, we had to cut it off because I don't think it's been off in decades. So now we've got the roll bar exposed here, and it's in excellent shape as well. And tomorrow we continue pulling things apart. Looking good so far. Today we're going to be pulling apart behind the dash. So we're going to try to take this out in one piece if possible. We have to figure out all the attachment points, but this is what it looks like. This actually turns it on. This goes to the mechanism that turns it on. This screws on up here to the upper vent. And we'll be replacing the hose that went from here to here that linked this. So we've got to pull all this down, all this out to frame, clean it all up. More good progress today. We got all of the carpet stripped out of here. We have a lot of scraping and sanding and things like that to do. But we got the roll bar pulled. There's just a tiniest bit. It's worse right here, and over on the driver's side there's a couple of rusty spots, but it's surface, thankfully, and it should come out without a problem with the sander. There's not going to be any Bondo or anything like this on this vehicle, which I can't even believe. It's in truly incredible shape for its age. Another good day.